What's up, online shoppers? I've always wanted to have a portable power source that would power more than just a cell phone or two, that had solar charging capacity and that also had a bunch of other built-in safety features. So I'm trying this one out and I think it's going to be really cool. This one here is the Marbero M82 and it is a really cool little system. So let's open this up and see what you get. There we go. Inside this box here, you get all the components. Now this has a plug for a cigarette lighter, which is cool. And you also get the AC plug, so you can plug it into the wall and then plug it in to charge. It comes really nicely packed. And here is our little power station. Pretty awesome. It's a lithium battery, so those last extra long and they're great for storing power. My family leads a pretty active outdoor life. We hunt, we fish, we camp, we're always at sporting events, and power is never always handy. So this is a really great option to have around. First of all, I love this little handle. This is really convenient. It weighs probably about 2 pounds, so it's not super heavy. And you could definitely put this in a backpack if you wanted to have power, if you weren't going to be somewhere where you had power accessible. If we take a look at this side, now you have 2 different USB ports here that have a little bit of blue. I think you can see that. Those ones there are the fast charge ports. So if you're charging your tablet or your phone or something that has fast charge capacity, this here is where you would plug in your USB ports. It also has 2 other just standard USB ports for charging just about anything else. You've got a DC out here and a USB-C as well. So you can put all different kinds of charging cords in so you can charge your devices. On this side, you have your DC in. So if you were charging it, you would take your plug here, stick it in like that, plug that into the wall, and that's pretty cool. This one here is a DC out. Your cigarette lighter definitely plugs into that one. So if you have anything that has a cigarette lighter plug, you've got this as well. Now on this side here is actually a 3 brightness flashlight that also has a built-in SOS capacity. So you can use this for signaling if you ever break down, if your car is broken down on the highway, you can use this to signal, or if you're camping and you need that SOS capacity, you've got this as well. And the bottom has really nice little rubber feet. It keeps it pretty sturdy on whatever surface you put it on. So here is the front of the machine. We have a couple different buttons here. This one here is your light. So as soon as you turn it on, this turns on your lantern. There's 3 different brightness. That is the lowest setting. That's a little bit brighter, and that's a little bit brighter still. Now, if I push it one more time, we get the blinking SOS function. That way we can use it to signal if we're ever in jeopardy, and one more push of the button shuts it off. Now here you can also see it has lit up. There is a battery light indicator here. So you can see that this has arrived fully charged, and you'll be able to tell as your battery degrades or goes down how much charge you have left in this cool little power box. Now this little button right here is your AC power button. And in order to help you conserve power while you're using this, it would be best to turn this off when nothing's plugged into it. When this is turned on, you can see the battery has lit up, and you can see that this has changed color right here, and this has got like a little orange indicator. This means you can plug something in here and the power is accessible from these 2 little ports right here. Now, when you're storing this and you're not using it, it's a good idea to shut it off so that it doesn't drain the battery just by having this little light on and having it be on standby for you to use it. Something else that's pretty cool about this is that when I plug this into the adapter, it will go from 0% charge to 80% charge in under 2 hours. That's a pretty fast charge for such a powerful little box. Now, another cool thing about this is you can actually, where it says DC in, plug in a solar panel. Now, the solar panel doesn't come with it, but Marbero itself makes 2 compatible solar panels. One's a 30 watt and one's a 60 watt solar panel, and you can use those to charge up this little lithium power box. Now, size-wise, you can see relative to my hand, but if you want numbers, it's 6.5 by 4.5 by just a little over 3 inches here, and pretty compact. You could certainly put this in your backpack if you wanted to have a power source with you while you're camping. I also like it for when we're out on the boat or we're on the beach or at sporting events, because you spend the whole day sitting at a soccer field, you're definitely not going to have access to somewhere to plug in your phone. And this is great because you can actually plug in 8 devices at the same time. You can plug in 4 here plus 1 here. You can plug one in this way. So you've got 3, 6, and you've got 2 other corded options here for AC plugs. So that's that's an awful lot of charging ability. There's even enough power in here to fully charge a laptop in 2 hours. You can use it to power small TVs, game consoles, even projectors. So if you wanted to have a movie night in the outdoors, you could set up a screen and plug your projector into this and make sure you bring the popcorn. As far as the light goes, when you have this turned on the lowest setting, it will stay on like this for 68 hours. If you turn it up to the next brightest setting, it will stay lit for 48 hours. And if you put it up to the highest setting, it will stay lit this bright for 37 hours. If you put it on the SOS flashing, you've got an extended period of time that you can have this signaling to help get you the help that you need. Now, I think this is an awesome little machine. It does a lot. It's a lithium battery, so you know it's going to last a long time. It's got a really convenient carry handle and all of the different power outlets plus this, and the fact that you can either charge it like this or with a solar panel. That's win, 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 win across the board for me. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.